Hi, blessings, everyone. It's Sunday, the 19th of June, and it's just after 1 o'clock in Edinburgh, 1 pm. So the energies overnight have been really powerful in terms of the solstice, and I'm feeling lots of magic happening. Gaia is bringing through this really beautiful and very, I feel it's the essence of nature and our natural selves. So as I say that, you can really feel into being a natural self and the freedom that comes from being who we truly are. There's no striving or need to do anything. We can feel into our essence and the beauty of connection inside. Listening into the heart and our true nature again, but just allowing the heart to listen, so we're really able to hear through the heart. So just for a moment, you can close your ears if that's possible. But just imagine that you're closing your ears down. And you're listening to your heart. And communing with a higher self. So just take a moment to connect and listen. And we're listening to the beauty of this connection, our natural self. And our connection with Solaris. So if you can imagine that you're lying in the sun, there's golden rays of light, and you're listening to the self, the sounds of nature. And very deep relaxation through the body. And saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Deep gratitude for life, again, in the heart. And feeling the blessing and uniqueness of who we truly are inside. And as we connect, our energy expands as the heart is awakened to this very deep love for life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm just allowing these energies to be at one. With this essence of soul and this expansion and freedom, the joy of connection. And a very beautiful alignment with our true nature and Gaia. And again, we can just really feel this gratitude for life. And the magic of being. I am this essence of soul. The nourishment and the joy of this connection and the fullness of life inside. I am one with all of life. So we can feel ourselves being supported by this sweet and loving energy. And the joy and freedom of our natural self. Peace, beloveds. So all is complete and whole. Every waking moment is experienced as a loving place of completion. I am already that I seek. Have a beautiful day, and I'll speak to you soon. Namaste.